So today I'll be showing you how to create a folder on your MacBook Neo. Now, if you want to create a folder on your desktop, right click any space on the desktop, an empty space on the desktop, and select new folder. Now that's going to create a new folder and it's going to be called untitled folder by default. But of course, you can go ahead and rename that folder immediately. I'm going to call mine trial and then hit enter, and that's the new folder. Now, if you want to create another folder inside this folder, you can simply double click to enter inside this folder. And then inside this folder, I can right click again and select new folder. And then I'm going to say files. I'm going to call it files and then hit enter. And now I have a folder within a folder. So that is basically how to create folders inside your in your MacBook Neo. Now you can go into Finder. So if you open up Finder and then go and find a folder like this one, documents, downloads, all this. So you can right click anywhere and create a new folder inside these already existing folders on your Mac. So you can even go to the you can see that's the desktop, the documents folder, the downloads folder. You can go and create subfolders in there. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.